Hey guys, how's it going? So, we had some very good news for a very good food company. Haha, pun intended. Anyways, a very good food company stock went up today 10%, 36%. If you bought right in the morning, you would have been up a decent penny. Could have swung traded. But it could also keep going up. It really all depends on the overall market sentiment. But very good food company had good news. They started up a new production facility, and they also U.S. wholesale broker relationship and operational update. So they opened up a new facility that is 45,000 square feet. They signed a lease contract, and it's going to cost them roughly, $1 million a year, so about $250,000 per quarter to sign up to be in this facility. Well, the first annual lease payment is $881,000 for the first 2 years. Then it increases to $961,000, then $1 million, then on the 10th year is about $1.1 million, which is not bad because 10 years later, this company should be a very different company overall. But it's very good. I mean, 45,000 square feet of production is a pretty sizable facility. The only thing I don't like about this this whole facility is that it's not in the US, it's in Vancouver. Yes, they will have their production up faster, but I still prefer them opening up a facility in the US or in Ontario. But they said that this is close to their office, this is close to where all the executives live, so it only makes sense for them to all try to get this production facility up and running as soon as possible so they can meet the demand that they have. They must have a huge amount of demand, and they need to catch up on the demand and supply, so they open up this new facility. But I still would prefer them to open up a facility in Ontario, because Ontario, it has a much bigger population than Vancouver, and they can sell it. The shipping time in Ontario would be reduced dramatically. So, but this is what they want. They want one in Vancouver because it's close to where all the executives and everybody lives, close to that facility. So it makes sense. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, we'll see where the market pushes the stock price, but ultimately, I don't like the Vancouver location. I would prefer them to do it open up in Ontario or another one in the U.S., like Florida, or somewhere in the U.S. But it is what it is. So I guess that's kind of good news. Well, it is good news. It's good news overall because increasing production is always good news, even though shipping might be a pain in the butt, because it's all the way in Vancouver, and if they were to ship to Ontario, it's a pain in the butt to move it, all the way to Ontario, but, that's just the way it is. What they could do is they could, open up a storage facility in Ontario, ship a ton of product to Ontario, and store it there, and then, make that facility as a shipping facility. So then, they can get their products to customers faster. It's not going to be as fresh, but, that's what they could do. Or they could send all that product to California, and then California could store it in their freezers and then ship it to customers as they get it. One of the two scenarios they could do with that, but, I still would prefer them to, have a facility closer to their customers. Just saying. Beyond Meat. I also think that Beyond Meat will affect the mood of Very Good Food Company. If Beyond Meat decides to sell off to below $100, then I think that could affect Very Good Food Company stock price in the future. We'll see what happens. Beyond Meat seems to be struggling with growth. Like Beyond Meat's story is they are growth beasts, where their quarterly revenue will increase and increase as they establish themselves as a Chinese player and a European player and American player, and more and more consumers will be attracted to their product. But they can't, they didn't break that $100 million barrier. I mean, they broke below the $100 million barrier. I mean, yes, they are now established with McDonald's, and that will help with revenue growth. But McDonald's is not branding their products Beyond, and on top of that, nobody really knows how well the Beyond Meat will, the plant-based meat will sell at McDonald's in the U.S. Like, it might sell well, it might not. Nobody truly knows. So there's a lot of risk factors in the Very Good Food Company. Just saying, just expect that, there's a possibility Very Good Food Company could go down further in the future, and this could be a big trap for retail investors. Could be just letting you know to be careful and try to buy as low as possible. That's how you protect yourself. But ultimately, if big money wants to pump Very Good Food Company, they will. I wonder if Jeremy's gonna come out and make a video about this. He should, if he's buying into the company. If Jeremy did, maybe the stock price will keep going up. I don't know. At the end of the day, we'll see. But I'm just giving you my honest opinion. Yes, I am still a shareholder. I have reduced my position, but we'll see what happens. We'll see where this goes. TAT today also had some news yesterday, but the stock didn't really move too much today. Rocket Company is just kind of trading sideways all day. We'll see where this goes. Like I always tell you, ultimately, retail, like 15 million shares traded today. Even 1 million share is a lot of money. 1 million shares at $20 is like, is a lot of money. 1 million times 20 is $20 million. $20 million, so 50 million shares is, billions of dollars getting traded back and forth on Rocket Company. That's, retail investors are not trading these stocks like that. I don't think so. I mean, day traders could come in, but ultimately, big money will determine where the stock price goes. As a retail investor, you're gambling that which direction will big money push the stock. That's what you do as a retail investor. Workhorse today is trading sideways, up 22 cents. Lordstown Motors up 31 cents today. Solo had a really nice day today, up 35 cents. Oh, it's starting to pull back a little bit. NIO is also a decent, not really, kind of sideways day today. Solo, sideways. Arcimoto, sideways day today. AMD, pretty decent day today. Up $2.73. GameStop, also pretty decent day today. Up 50 cents. NIO stock is, already talked about NIO. Nano Dimension, down today 17 cents. Genius Brands had a nice little pop today, up 13%. There was some news regarding International Scheduled Business Update conference call to discuss recent development. Got the market a little excited. Pumped up Genius Brand stocks. Papa Reach, also good day today, up 5%. Aqua Bounty, down 14 cents today, 3.55. Looks like Aurora is getting pumped. So people coming out calling this company a scam. Well, this scam is getting pumped again. So just saying, doesn't matter if you call it a scam. Doesn't matter if you hate the company. really, at the end of the day, rich people ultimately moves the stock. If they want to push the stock price up, they will. If they want to push the stock price down, they will. It's all on the you ride. When you invest into the stock market, you're riding on the back of the coattails of rich people. What direction will rich people move the stock price? Aphria is up 13 cents today. Village Farms is up 19 cents. 19 cents today. $6.55. 5 Prime looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Down 20 cents. SBE Judge Switchback, a Judge Point up 3 cents. Blink is up 48 cents. Neo is no, not Neo. Okay, so let's look at some of the multi-state operator. Liberal Health Science today is neutral. Harv had a pullback, but it's just trading sideways right now. Kira is up, is neutral. Cresco is down today, 16 cents. The Planet is down a penny. Man is down 1.5 cents. Sundial, see where Sundial grows is recovering a little bit. How about Hexo? Didn't have Hexo up here. Hexo getting pumped again. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.